Hello guys, namaste YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So time right now is around 2 a.m. About time we kickstarted this small ride. Really weird time you might be thinking, but we wanted to capture some beautiful sunrise at a beautiful location, hence this timing. So yeah, that's about it. So let's get going and hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. वॉचमैन भैया कहाँ गए क्या? See you guys on the highway. Riding in the cart at this time is definitely some crazy feel. Time right now is around 3 a.m. So one or maybe two of the remaining riders are kind of waiting near the toll. हाँ आ जाओ, अभी रुक जाओ, इधर ही लगाओ, पीछे आ जाओ. So just stopping here until fourth of us arrives. चाय वगैरह पीते तब तक. चलो, see you guys in a bit. And the Khambhatki Ghat starts from here. It is going to be fun riding this ghat. It is damn fun to ride this ghat, especially in the night time. Daytime method is pretty basic and normal thing. I know GoPro might not be doing any justice, especially in the night time, but trust me, it feels so good to ride this ghat in the night time. Night ride is fun, especially if you have good headlights and a good friends to ride with. Best thing it is. So time right now is around 4:30 and we are just crossing the Satara toll booth. So took a right turn from the Satara, left the highway. The state highway begins. Nothing really interesting to show. It is pretty much everything is dark, so just recording a few bits and pieces. Once the sun is up and there is something beautiful to show, we will see you again. Literally confused. Should be following the trail, or should I just look at that? I don't know if the GoPro is doing any sort of justice. वो रहे बाकी लोग. I kind of stopped to change the GoPro's battery. Oh my god, this is heaven for real. Let's see क्लिफ के उस साइड क्या व्यू है. चलो इधर से ही चलते हैं. Oh boy, just take a look at this, guys. Speechless. Literally no words. Oh, completely worth it. Each and every single minute of starting the ride from home at 2 a.m. Each and every single minute, each and every single kilometer, each and every single effort worth it. Just look at this. Crosswinds are crazy, or else drone shots over here would have been just pretty damn good. But insane crosswinds. I don't know if you guys can feel it. But yeah, crazy crosswinds, so won't even try to take the drone out. Oh boy, literally no words for this place. It was kind of a weird idea to start around 2 and come here for a sunrise, but it has been worth it. क्या बोलते हो guys? How was the plan? How was the idea? Yeah, really amazing view, really amazing place. After spending nearly 2 hours, finally we are leaving now. For nearly 2 hours we have been freezing. Such crazy cold it is over here. While leaving from Pune we were kind of complaining कि ठंडी नहीं है, ठंडी नहीं है. यहाँ के फट गई, literally फट गई. But really enjoyed it. Wow. This is what it was in the morning. Could not see anything at all, but pretty much had an idea that the view and the surrounding is just superb.
So back on the highway. Nothing much to show now. Just going to head back home. Won't be stopping for any tea or anything. So that is about it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.